PK Claus here. Today I want to tell you about this Tastyle coffee maker. This one does hot coffee, iced coffee, and iced tea. You can use K-cups, loose tea, or ground coffee. And it has 3 different adapters for that. This one here is for your K-cups. This one here is for your ground coffee. And this one here is for your loose tea. I'm going to show you how it works in just a moment. Show you the top here. Show you our little control panel. And we're going to make some coffee in just a moment. All right. And this coffee maker makes from 6 to 16 ounces of coffee. So that's a nice variety of sizes. We're going to use the K-cup adapter today. You put your adapter in there, you put the cup in, close the lid, and make sure your cup is in there so you can make a nice cup of coffee. All right, we've got our cup, and you can choose on the top hot brew, bold, over ice, or iced tea. And I'm going to choose bold. And it's going to take a minute to get started. It's pretty quiet. And here we go. It's making us a delicious cup of coffee. You see it going in our cup there. And like I said, this makes hot, iced coffee, or iced tea. It's an awesome little machine. I like it, and I hope you do too.